Welcome to Innovin Foods. Today I'm making Laccha Aloo chicken ball snacks. Crispy, juicy and super crunchy from outside. A perfect snack for parties or evening cravings. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, take 1 cup chicken pieces. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, half teaspoon chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Add 2 teaspoon gram flour. Mix well and keep aside for 10 minutes. Laccha style means layered or shredded texture. It's a popular fusion style street snack. Now take 4 peeled potatoes and cut them into long thin strips. Cut potatoes into thin strips for better texture. Transfer into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoon flour, 3 tablespoon corn flour, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon ginger garlic. Mix well so the potato strips are evenly coated. Coat evenly with flour mixture for crispiness. Now take some potato mixture. Place 1 chicken piece inside and cover well to form a ball. Potato coating creates extra crunchiness. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy. Fry on medium heat for even cooking. This snack combines juicy chicken with crispy potato. Chicken provides protein and strength. Potatoes give energy and texture. Homemade snacks are more hygienic. Balanced spices enhance digestion. Your crispy Laccha Aloo chicken balls are ready. Serve hot with ketchup or your favorite dip. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovin Foods for more creative snack recipes.